So I have a German learner, Michael from smarterGerman here, and I have a beautiful announcement to make. You might have already seen some of our music videos here on YouTube. I'll link to them in the info button or the description. But now you can also take them anywhere you want and listen to them, maybe while running or while in the car, because you can now find them on Spotify. I'll put all the links in the description. Check it out. And if Spotify is not your thing, you just look them up on Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and whatever streaming platform you might be using, very likely you will find it there. And if you like our work, which is, honestly, it's beautiful. We had a lot of fun creating it and made us smile and even laugh out loud at times, then let the streaming service know, let us know by following it, by liking it, put it in your favorite folder, or by listening to it over and over again, whatever it takes, yeah? Enjoy these songs. They are not only fun and lovely to listen to and dance to. These could easily be played in Berghain, if you ask me.
Not that I have ever gotten in.
Even if you don't learn German, you will enjoy them. And if you are learning German, they will actually help you to memorize things that you otherwise have to memorize in a very boring manner. So give it a shot and let us know what you think. I wish you lots of fun with our videos and also with your German learning. And if you are looking for a serious German course for serious German learners, as you are, you'll find us at smarterGerman.com. Yeah? Take good care, enjoy your German learning, and have a wonderful life. See you.